Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. We are welcome to AL-ITQAN e-learning center, where you learn Arabic in a simple and the most practical way. We pray may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us from the beginning of the class till the end of the class. We pray may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us beneficial knowledge. Before we go into the class proper, we have to understand some facts that Arabic is like other languages, whereby you just learn how to speak and you start speaking. You learn how to speak, then you start speaking. But why people see Arabic as one of the most difficult languages is that in Arabic, as you are learning, then you must be practicing it. And you have to understand some basic concepts. Number one, you have to understand that Arabic is like other languages, as I've said. And one thing about Arabic is that it's one of the most simplest languages to learn. Just know how to apply it and know how to learn it in a proper way. The moment you do this, then there's no problem again. So I will be giving us some hints and some steps. If you want to learn Arabic and you want to know how to speak Arabic in a very short period of time, then you have to understand all these things. Number one, do not miss a class. Anywhere you are learning, do not miss any of our classes. Do not miss any of our classes. The moment it's time for class, do not skip it. The moment it's time for class, don't be busy with something else. Focus on the class so that you can understand better. The second one is that do not joke with your assignments and other activities like classwork and things like that. Do not joke with any of those. After each classes, assignment will be attached. Make sure that you do your assignments all the time. Make sure that you do not skip any of those. If you skip any of these, then you see at the end of the day, it will be as if you are just learning and to you are not gaining anything. So you have to dedicate your time for it. Anything you want to learn, try to dedicate your time. Then the next one is constant practice. If you learn one thing, practice it 100 times. It's better for you to learn 100 things and practice it just only one time. That is why you see these 3 weeks we set to learn basic Arabic. It's okay. The moment you assure us that anything you learn, you practice them, then there is no problem. You are in safer hand. We pray may Allah make it easy. Let's say, for example, what you just learn now is هذا قلم. This is a pen. This is a pen. Now, you know, qalam is a noun. That means you know hada already that it is this. Then you have to look for more words to apply with hada. So the more you are looking for words, the more you understand it and the more it's sticking to your brain. That is the secret behind everything you learn, you practice. And the more you practice, the more you understand. Then the last one, but not the least, is after practicing it, then you don't feel shy to speak what you are learning with people. That is it. Anything you learn, find someone to converse with. For example, you have someone that understands Arabic. Go to the person, speak what you are learning. The basics one you are learning now, try to speak it to the person. If there is mistake, then the person will correct you. It's better for you to keep quiet and be knowing it on your own. Anything you learn, you have to understand. Anything you learn, you have to understand. If the moment you follow all these instructions, we see that the idnillah, at the end of these 3 weeks, you will see that you have actually accumulated a lot. You have actually gained a lot. We pray may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us beneficial knowledge. We pray may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy. Till we meet in our first class, when we start our class proper. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.